Add assets to a NFT at Singular.app. Go to Your Space. Select the NFT that you wish to add more assets. Click on the button Add Asset. Choose the file you wish to upload or drag and drop it. Do the same for the thumbnail. Write the name of your asset. Write an appealing description for your asset or leave it blank. Fill in the fields of custom attributes or leave it empty. Click on the button Add Asset. Now you need to confirm 2 transactions on your wallet. And that's it. Your NFT has now a new asset. You will see the 2 assets now on your NFT. You can toggle between them. For additional instructions, please check our Learning Hub at Singular.app.